Take a seat.
ये वर्ष पंडा
Yes, sir.
कोड पढ़ुल
बीटेक इंजीनियरिंग करती है
बीटेक बीटेक करछ
आगे कैरियर करती डॉक्टर इंजीनियरिंग
एमजीआर यूनिवर्सिटी
आगे
तापरे केबे पास करस तू
2010
आज बोल कोन करछ
आईटी का होता है बैंगलोर
खसा
तो बैंगलोर का होता है आईटी
Working in the IT professional.
लास्ट 13.5 years का
हैं
13.5 years
The last 10 years are working as IT professional. Okay.
तुम ओएफएस ओपीएस तापर ओएस देछ
yes sir
डिफरेंस
yes sir
कितनी
ओएफएस
As a reason for giving OFS as a first year preference.
एक्चुअल रीजन कोई भी ना
No, you are too
honest.
honest.
ऑनेस्ट रीजन है सर लास्ट पे क्यों इंटरव्यू एक लास्ट टाइम
हाँ
तो ସେତେବେଳେ ବାହାର ନଥିଲା ଫର୍ମ ସେତେବେଳେ ବାହାର ଥିଲା ରେଜଲ୍ଟ ବାହାର ନଥିଲା ନେକ୍ସଟ ଇୟର ଫର୍ମ ଆସିଥିଲା ତ ମତେ ତ କିଛି ଆଡଭାଇସ୍ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ ଗଲାରେ କି ଓଏଫଏସ୍ ଆଉ ଓପିଏସ୍ ର ଭଲ ପ୍ରମୋଶନ ପ୍ରସ୍ପେକ୍ଟସ୍ ବୋଲି ତ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିଦେଇଥିଲି କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ରିଏଲ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ ଏଟା ରିଜଲ୍ଟ କରିବି
तो घर कोठे
भुवनेश्वर
He's from Bhubaneswar, sir.
भुवनेश्वर के गांव तो थियो कोठी भुवनेश्वर में बासिंदा
जन्म गाँव आस्का जन्म इसी
optional होती है
आस्का बेल कहू
Sir, optional is
History.
history and geography.
हिस्ट्री द हिस्ट्री
इस
चेदी डायनेस्टी कोड थिला इंडिया
चेदी
तमिलनाडु
चेदी डायनेस्टी चेदी बोली कहले
सॉरी से हम खारवेल में
आता तो चेदी को साथी हैं कटक शहर in which year Katak city was founded W. Hunter when written history of Odisha he has given the date 989 AD ସେଥିପାଇଁ ତାକୁ ମିଲେନିୟମ ସିଟି ବୋଲି କୁହାଯାଏ 1999 ପରେ ପରେ that is the millennium city which place is called which city is called silk city of Odisha
Silk City of Silk.
बरमपुर
silver city
कटक
which is called Sankha Khetra Odisha Puri Tulasi Khetra
केंद्रपुर
Biraja Khetra
जाजपुर
very good Mahanadi Delta what do you mean by Mahanadi Delta
so when Mahanadi River meets the Bay of Bengal it forms the delta
which or this is the confluence region
no sir when it
river confluence
when it meets the sea the delta is formed
and do you think only Mahanadi or
so sir
some other river also
Brahmani also
Brahmani also they join the confluence and Mahanadi Delta is prone to cyclonic storms and different type of variations in the soil conditions,
Correct.
sea tide. What is the reason?
so Odisha coastal plain like is prone to cyclones and all every year it's struck by cyclones so but particularly why
You
Mahanadi
see,
Delta
Amphan came. Amphan prior to that, Honey, Hudhud, Hylin. So during the last decade, we have come across 4 or 5 installments of these. Why? Is it due to climate change?
Yes, sir. So because of global warming and climate change, the sea surface.
After 1999, we had a major tsunami,
Yes, sir.
2004-5 tsunami. Then after that, we have 4 to 5 kinds of
हुडुहुडु फाइलिनी फन्नी आउट टाइप कौन है Just recently. Yeah? Yes.
So what is the
What is the reason of frequent occurrence of the cyclone?
So because the situation of Odisha, the location of Odisha, it's beside Bay of Bengal.
No, Odisha is the end point of this climatic havoc.
End point.
Yes, sir.
Its beginning is either Southeast
West
Asia
Bengal.
or Indonesia. It comes from that region,
Correct.
and the immediate target is East Coast. West Coast, for the first time after so many years, this year, West Coast has become the target.
Yes, sir. First time. Yes, sir.
Like Surat, Bombay,
Yes, sir.
but East Coast invariably from Nagapattinam to
Odisha.
Paradip.
Correct.
This is the region which is the targeted zone of the cyclonic flurry. What is the region?
I'm not very sure it's because Bay of Bengal, like every year during late summer, May and October, due to the high sea surface temperature, the tropical cyclones are formed and it is impacting. But in western coast, it's not very like frequent. But I'm not very sure about the reason like why it is so.
That maybe the Arabian Sea is less warmer than Bay of Bengal. Because when once you have the warm water, you attract the
Tropical cyclones.
formation of different kinds of movement of. If you look at the sky changes its color very fast,
Yes, sir.
and the rain water carrying movement will be there in the sky. Low pressure is caused in this region between May to
October.
October.
Yes, sir.
You will not find low pressure in Arabian Sea. So it is the placement of Bay of Bengal in this region where from Indian Ocean there is pressure because the wind flows eastward. Whenever you see that why Kerala touches the southwest monsoon first,
Because it comes from Mascarin, Russian,
that comes from
Madagascar, Mascarin.
Seput Ase.
Yes, sir.
Epudu kahin ase, Madras or heat kahin nakarega. So the always the wind blows from that side. So the reaction will come from this side. So it is a return. So you will find either in May or in October when the movement will be there, wind movement, the return of wind movement will be there, maybe in a heavy tide or maybe a deep depression or maybe in a cyclonic weather. ତମେ ଗୋଟେ ବଲ୍ଟେ ପକେଇଲେ ବଲ୍ଟା ରହିଯାଉଛି କି ପଳେଇ ଆସୁଛି ନା ନାହିଁ ସେମିତି ୱିଣ୍ଡଟା ଯାଉଛି ପୁଣି ତ ରିଟର୍ନ କରିବ ସେ ତମର ରିଟର୍ନ ମନସୁନ୍ ଗୋଟେ ହୁଏ କେତେବେଳେ ରିଟର୍ନ ମନସୁନ୍ ହେଉଛି କେତେବେଳେ ରିଟର୍ନ ସାଇକ୍ଲୋନ୍ ହେଉଛି ବିକଜ ଡିପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅପନ୍ ଦି ୱିଣ୍ଡ ଫର୍ମେସନ୍ ଡିପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅପନ୍ ଦି ନେଚର ଅଫ୍ ଦି ୱିଣ୍ଡ ଫର୍ମେସନ୍ ସବୁଦିନ ତ ଲଘୁଚାପ ହବନି ଯେତେବେଳେ ହବ ଭଲ ହବ
ହିମାଳୟ ନଥାନ୍ତା ତାହେଲେ କ'ଣ ଆମ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ ମନସୁନ୍ ହିମାଳୟ ନାହିଁ
So Himalaya बहुत तार like important role तार हमारा subtropical जो subtropical western destiny अच्छी सेरा divide हुए तार northern और southern branch divide हुए हिमालय तो divide करे तो जितना बड़े से southern branch टा उठी जाए सेठू तो monsoon तापरे सेठू low pressure formation हुए high pressure उठी जाए तापरे monsoon formation सेठा उठे and तापरे जो so that's a major reason apart from that okay Himalaya monsoon रे आप लोग होते हैं
major cultural groups of wild cultural groups of wild even cultural groups of farmers
cultural groups
right
cultural groups Negroids ashanti, Mongoloids ashanti, Caucasoids ashanti, Alpinoids ashanti, and
India को group
ଆମର mixture at different points of time different racial group asi करछन हमर ओडे admixture गोटे single कहि होबनी but different reasons are like South India रे अछन कि Negroids अछंती हमर North India जो राजस्थान साइड रे सेपटे हमर बेसी Caucasoids साइड अछंती North East रे Mongoloids अछंती आसाम तो टिकर हमर racial admixture गोटे बहुत
The central place theory.
yes sir
Central place theory.
Sir, Walter Chrysler is the central place theory. Walter Chrysler. So there are different functional relationship between different places. Like gote place, outer place केमिति निर्भर करछि like what exchange of goods services. तो तापर देथिले तीनटा प्रिंसिपल देथिले गोटे k = 3 k = 3 टा मार्केट प्लेस देथिले k = 4 ट्रांसपोर्ट देथिले k = 7 गोटे एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सिटी देथिले तो मॉडल देथिले सो
ଆମର ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରଟା କୋଉ theory ରେ ହେଇଛି? କୋଉ theory ମାନେ
Evolution ଆମର communication I'm not very sure.
rectangular ଅଛି
ओके हमर मॉडल प्रथम कॉनिक्सबर्गर देथिले सी सेतबे सेंट्रल द बुर्जिस सेंट्रल कॉन्सेंट्रिक मॉडल सीबीडी डिजाइन करथिले एसला टेंपल सिटी थिला हमर प्रथम जो टेंपल सिटी साइड रे डिजाइन करथिले तो तापर धीरे धीरे चेंजेस हेकिरी हमर वर्तमान लाइक को एक्चुअल मॉडल कॉन्सेंट्रिक तो हबनी कि सेक्टरल भी एक्चुअल हबनी every particular model so I'm not very sure it is
major problems of slum area in Bhubaneswar major problems.
so major hygiene sanitation problems because there's scattered state like settlements and all hygiene problem is there and then crimes increasing crimes and all so
Okay. Level sir.
yes, sir.
You are good. Your postures are good.
Oh, last week of the what are the recent plan and schemes taken by government of India to improve the our economic conditions, keeping in view of COVID-19?
So our आत्मनिर्भर भारत 20 लाख करोड़ पैकेज गोटे दिया जाइछि पीएम गरीब कल्याण योजना जो 5 केजी 1 केजी सीरियल्स पल्सेस दिया जाउछि एबे आई थिंक टिल डिसेंबर समथिंग सेटा एबे कर दैछन्ती 3 मंथ्स एक्सटेंशन करथिले आ स्ट्रीट वेंडर्स
स्वनिधि
आत्मसरदी सेटा
प्रोग्राम इन ना स्वनिधि
सॉरी प्रधानमंत्री स्ट्रीट वेंडर्स
पीएम स्वनिधि
पीएम स्वनिधि
ओके
तमर किछ पचारियर अछि
नाइस सर थैंक यू
Okay.